In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export saved passwords on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up your Chromebook browser, select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then select Passwords and Autofill. Select Password Manager over here, and then select Settings on the left panel. On the right side, underneath Export Passwords, select Download File. You have to confirm your computer password here. Save it to your desktop, and it should be a CSV file. You select Save, and then if you had a different web browser you wanted to import it to, you come back into here. Basically, most Chromium browsers operate very similarly, and you would just select the file in the Import Password section and then upload it, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.